Welcome to an ordinary day in my life. Watch this vlog until the end if you don't believe a healthy lifestyle can be easy. By sharing my unpretentious healthy lifestyle, I'm not gonna convince you, but inspire you to live your best life. Hello and welcome to the vlog. Another day here in Toronto. Today is Saturday, so it's a little different than the other vlogs because I woke up early, not as early as on weekdays, but I went to my yoga class. I passed by the Starbucks, got my coffee, and now I have to edit a few videos. I am way behind in editing, and that's why I didn't vlog the past 2 days, because I had so many vlogs in line to be edited that I thought maybe it would be a good idea to not produce more of them not to enlarge the line. So but now I think things are normal, and so I'm gonna finish editing a couple of vlogs. I'm gonna take my shower and get ready for the weekend because we have interesting things to do, but I'm gonna let you know as we do the things. Let's go. We started our day with a visit to The Well, a trendy new mixed-use space here in downtown Toronto. But the highlight of our visit was the Arcadia Earth Museum. This place is an absolute wonder. It's an immersive museum that combines art, technology, and environmentalism to create an experience that's both enlightening and inspiring. Walking through the exhibits, you're surrounded by stunning visual and interactive installations that bring to life the beauty and fragility of our planet. It's a reminder of how our daily choices impact the environment and the importance of living sustainably. after our enriching visit to the museum, we swung by the grocery store to pick up some essentials for dinner. I grabbed celery, carrots, parsley, apples, radish, and a pack of whole wheat pasta that caught my eye. I'm always curious to try new healthy options, and this pasta seemed like a perfect fit for a wholesome meal. We also stopped at the salad bar for lunch. As I've mentioned it before on the vlog, this is one of my go-to spots for a quick and healthy meal. When choosing a salad, here are my tips. Steer clear of heavy, creamy dressings. Start with a base of leafy greens. Include complex carbs, pack in as much protein as possible, and the more colorful, the better. It's all about balance and making choices that fill your body while satisfying your taste buds. The afternoon was spent relaxing at home with my dog, a much needed break to recharge. And it's time to start to prepare dinner, our Saturday night dinner, which is special. If you watched the last vlog when I went to Costco, that I got this beautiful huge tray of prawns, and I said I wanted to do something fun, and by fun I mean I want to eat them but I want to have fun like cooking them. I like to do that. So I've never tried, I would say, from scratch, quote unquote, like I never had an entire prawn to work with. So I was very curious about it because I think sometimes when we get our food, I wouldn't say processed because it's not processed, but it's already like when I get, they are already clean, they already cut the head off, so it's ready to cook. You feel like almost they come from a factory, like if you would buy pasta, for example. So my idea by getting the entire prawn, the prawn that is come from nature, I would say, first because it's more versatile, you can do other things. For example, I want to do a stock that I'm gonna use in the rice. I'm already telling you my plans. I'm already spoiling this story. But anyways, so there is that. And the second, I think it can be fun. Like if you enjoy cooking, if you enjoy spending time preparing something for you or for your family, with your family, life gets a little healthier, I would say, because with my experience with clients, the clients that I would say that have the healthiest relationship with food are the clients that enjoy food. I mean, the whole process of food, not only eating food, not only trying new food, new flavors, they are curious, but they also are curious about preparing the food, about trying to do new things with food. So I always advise at least to try new things, getting out of your comfort zone, not only cooking but tasting new things, tasting new flavors, new seasonings. And that's what we are going to do today. I'm gonna try new process, I would say. I'm gonna clean the prawn for the first time. I'm gonna use the shelves and the heads for the stock, and the rest I think I'm gonna prepare rice. I'm gonna share with you my process. You can try, do exactly what I'm gonna do, but by all means you can get inspired by what I'm gonna do tonight and do your own thing. Try to think about new ideas. Actually, if you have new ideas, if you have that recipe that you love, don't forget to leave here in the comments because I love to taste new food. I would love to try your recipe. So yeah, it's time. It's time to get busy. It's time to get dirty. It's time to clean the prawns. I began by selecting the most beautiful prawns to keep whole for garnishing. Cleaning prawns can be a bit tricky, but here's how to do it. Twist off the head, peel from the top, press the tail with your thumb to remove it, and then slice along the back to take out the dark string. I used the prawn heads, tails and shells to make a delicious stock. I chopped carrots and celery, added the prawn carcasses, seasoned it with salt, and threw in a mix of peppers. I had this mix of peppers to add it to, but you can use any peppercorn you have. I also added an onion and a few cloves of garlic for extra flavor. With 6 cups of water, I brought it to a boil and then let it simmer for about an hour. Meanwhile, I seasoned the cleaned prawns with salt, paprika and pepper. And steamed them over the stock pot. It took less than 5 minutes, quick and easy. Now about the whole prawns. Initially, I considered cooking them in the stock to infuse them with even more flavor. However, I realized that this approach wouldn't work. So I decided to follow the same process I used for the cleaned shrimps. With the prawn stock ready and rich in flavor, it was the perfect time to cook the rice. I used a cup of the stock and a cup of white wine to cook the rice. When the rice was almost done and the water nearly absorbed, I gently placed the whole prawns on top of the rice. I removed them from the top of the rice and set them aside. Then I stirred in the other already steamed shrimps into the rice. Finally, it was time to plate this beautiful dish. I spooned the shrimp rice onto the plates. Then, as the crowning glory, I carefully placed the whole prawns on top. The presentation was stunning. I love sharing these moments with you all. From exploring new places to preparing a nourishing meal, it's all about discovering new things, staying healthy, and enjoying life's little pleasures. Remember, your journey to health and wellness can be filled with exploration, both in the world and in your kitchen. Thanks for joining me today, and I can't wait to share more of my journey with you. Keep staying positive and healthy, and see you in the next vlog. Namaste!